Hello, I'm Adway Prady here with US Legal Pro. We are EFSP, Electronic Filing Service Providers, certified by the state of Texas, Indiana, Illinois, and California. Now, in these 4 states, we enable self-filers and attorneys to file documents to courts. One of the additional services that we provide is the creation of divorce petitions, e-filing that petition, and getting it approved. Now, why e-file the petition? Well, the Texas Supreme Court requires that e-filing be used for all civil matters. This means that paper filing will no longer be accepted by Texas courts. And I know most of you have questions about the divorce process, how to start, when to finish, how much it's going to cost you. So I'm just going to dive into the details. Well, the very first step in an uncontested divorce is to file a petition. Now, how do we help in filing a petition? Well, first we create a petition with the information you provide us on our website, divorce.uslegalpro.com, which is the website that I'm on right now. You're going to go ahead and click on Texas Uncontested Divorce, and it's going to redirect you to this site, and you're going to go ahead and type in your email address and just start the process. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes, and you can also do this on your phone. After the petition is created, we collect any county-specific documents that needs to be filed along with your petition. An e-file account will be created for you. Then we'll email you all the documents that will be filed on your behalf for your review and verification. Upon your approval, we'll file your petition to the court. Now, please note, the court will charge you anywhere between $250 to $350 in the state of Texas for divorce cases, separate from our fee. However, if you are not able to afford the court fee, we will have you complete an affidavit of inability to afford court costs. This form is a request to the court to waive these fees. Then we'll file the document along with your petition so we can get them approved. After your petition is approved by the court, which typically takes about 1 to 3 days, we'll give you the approved petition along with the necessary forms in order for you to finalize your divorce. If you have any questions about what I've said so far, please contact us or the local district clerk's office. The next step is for you to notify your spouse, also known as serving your spouse. Now, there are multiple ways of serving your spouse. So how can you notify your spouse? Well, the cheapest and simplest way is you can give your spouse a waiver of service that we provide and the approved stamped petition if your spouse is willing to complete and sign the waiver in front of a notary. Then you'll have to file the waiver of service back to the court, or just email us the document and we'll file it for you free of charge. If your spouse is not willing to sign the waiver, you can seek help of a process server, sheriff, constable, or use certified mail to give your spouse a legal notice. Note, the court has to issue a citation to go about any of these procedures. If you are in need of a citation, we will request a citation from the court free of cost. Once the proof of legal notice has been returned to you, we'll file that for you as well, free of charge. If you cannot find your spouse and there are no children involved, the court may allow you to have the notice posted at the courthouse. This is called service by posting. If you cannot find your spouse and there are children involved, you may be able to give the other parent legal notice by having the notice published in a newspaper. This is called service by publication or citation by publication. In either situation, you need to prove to the court that you have done your due diligence and you've tried your best to find your spouse, but you simply could not. These methods are a bit more involved, and you will need to talk to the district clerk's office after the petition has been approved. There's a 60-day waiting period from when your divorce is approved to when the judge will hear your divorce case. You will have to call your county district clerk's office to see when the court hears divorce cases to go and finalize your divorce. But in the meantime, you need to complete your decree of divorce. The decree of divorce is the most important document because it will divide up all property, confirm separate property, and list out the rights of the parties as to custody and visitation of children if you have any. And again, any forms necessary for your divorce, we will file it for you. And we're the only company that's a huge saver of time, money and complexity. So call us with any questions you have. We're here for you. Our phone number is 972-807-0689, or you can chat with us. All right, that's it for today, and we'll see you guys later.